Hello and welcome back to the field office. As you can see, I'm not actually in the field office today. I'm actually in a hotel room. Last night was Cue the Music. My voice might be suffering a little bit from that. Thankfully, my head isn't, so that's a bonus. So I thought I'd just do a quick video on packing, especially for an event such as Cue the Music. So obviously previously I've done videos on how to pack a shirt, and I've also run through what I was intending to wear for Cue the Music, which obviously was my evening suit. So I thought I'd do a video based on packing and packing for how to pack a suit for traveling. And as you can see, I'm about to leave the room. So obviously I'm going to get myself repacked, ready to leave. And I thought I'd just go through the process of how I would pack a suit for traveling, specifically because I'm in London and I'm walking from the station to the hotel. It's about a 20-minute walk. If it was James Bond, he would just go straight from the station into a cab or into some sort of transport to get to his hotel, which would probably be a lot more luxurious than this. But this is pretty good for me anyway. So I've only been here for one night, so I used this sort of small suitcase, which is probably cabin size. We'd be able to get that on the plane with you. But yeah, I just used it because it's got a wheel, so I can drag it along with me rather than having to lift it and carry it for a 20-minute walk. I'm getting the exercise in walking, so I don't really need it for lifting as well. So first things first, when I pack, I always take the shoes first. So these are the Alex that I wore last night. They've got their shoe trees in, so they feel quite heavy. If I was packing to go abroad, I probably wouldn't use wooden shoe trees. I would probably switch them out for some plastic ones that I have, because it would make the case lighter. Or what some people do is use your sort of socks and underwear and stuff the shoes with them, again to maximize the amount of space you've got in your case. I didn't need that much space in respect, so that's why that's not there. Now, with the jacket, now here's my jacket from last night. It's make sure it's empty. Oh no, my glasses and my ticket. This side is empty. So what I would do with this is literally holding it like this, and I would pop the shoulder inside out, and then take the other one and stick it through like that. So you've got the inside material, and then just fold it over like that. The surprising thing is with that, even though I folded it, when I got it ready for putting on when I arrived here yesterday, took it out, hung it up, it was fine. There's no creasing or anything showing from that. So just keeping it fairly simple. And then the trousers, which are here, just again fold as if I was going to put them on the hanger, and then fold it one more time, put them in the middle, fold over like that. And then positionally, I would put them at the top here in the suitcase. So the shoes, which are the heaviest thing, go at the bottom of the case. I'll just put my wash kit in. So stick that just over the shoes, and then I'll put this on top. And that's sort of, if I hold it like that, sort of how it goes in. So all of my other accessories, such as my cummerbund, my silk pocket square, bow tie and braces, I would stick in the front pocket here. The shirt that I wore last night has its own little compartment here. Go in just like that, and that zips up, and that's it. It's only one night, but I find that's the best way for, if you don't have like a suit carrier, you have different versions of that. You can get very thin ones, which you usually get when you purchase a suit, to more elaborate ones, like the one seen in No Time to Die. I have one from Samsonite, which is a big thing, but it holds 2 suits. But again, it'd be carrying it or over my shoulder. I felt like going through London for 20 minutes walking, much easier just having the wheeled suitcase than the suit carrier. So that was my choice. Also, because of it being a suitcase with the handle out, I could stick my briefcase on it, so I'm only pulling one thing but carrying 2 items. So that's sort of it for today. Last night, Cue the Music was brilliant. The pre-show party, which started at 1, was an amazing, it was at the Waldorf Hotel, and it had casino tables set up. We were given fake money to play with. There was the bars, which were nice, very good. Had my first proper drink in 3.5 years, and I'm surprised how well I'm doing this morning, to be honest. But the pre-show party was great. I managed to talk to a lot of people, some that I knew, some that I didn't know, and it was really nice. And I appreciate those that came up to me and said, I appreciate what you do on the Instagram, on YouTube. So thank you to you for watching and for contributing to the channel. But yeah, it was just a lovely sort of pre-show. Got my photo taken with the 3 money pennies, which I hope to get to fairly soon. And then there was the interview with David Zaritsky, hosted with the 3 money pennies. That was great as well. And then from there we went to the theatre to watch Q, and it was an amazing show. Really good. Again, saw 3 of the money pennies during the show, and yeah, just a fantastic performance. It's very difficult for me to sort of really tell you how well the show went, how it was received by the full crowd that occupied the theatre on Drury Lane. And then the post-show party, which was excellent. Anthony Sinclair was there with a number of their suits from Thunderball and from Goldfinger. Had a really nice conversation with David and with Elliot, and they were showing off their brand new Thunderball shorts from Jazan, I think that's called, which were the original shorts that we used. So they've spent a lot of time recreating those. There was the model company that had been making the DB5s and the Lotuses. They look, they were quite substantial models. There was GoldenEye on 64. There was more gambling, more drinking, but basically it was just really good just to talk to people, see people I haven't seen for a while, and yeah, just really good conversations. So it was an excellent time. I really look forward to this time of year because it seems to be like the annual get-together for everybody in the UK, and there's so many people that are from America or from other countries that come here as well. So yeah, fantastic weekend, great show from Cue the Music. So yeah, I think I'll wrap up at this point. I need to finish packing. I need to get these little bits away as well. So thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, share with those that you think might be interested in this. Until next time, thank you for watching.